Damn, it's starting to rain.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're currently number 1 for departure. We should be rolling in a couple minutes. Let attendants be seated. Thank you.
Northwest 255, runway 3 center, clear for takeoff.
Let's stay on. TCI's on set.
They're on now.
Okay.
Clamp. 100 knots. V1. Rotate.